What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We are going to be installing the Ballade Sports Type S tilt Aero mirrors, which happen to be plug and play. And this specific model is actually the delete version. So as you can see, the body shop has taken care of the delete plug, and we are going to be installing it to this car right here. Tools you're gonna need are a nice, this is a plastic panel popper tool to pop off the door panel, or your hands. This is a Phillips head screwdriver, nothing fancy, flathead, pick tool, various extensions. I'm using a 1/4 inch drive and a 10 mil. First screw is going to be hidden, and it's right in there. Phillips head screwdriver. Turn this to sneak this out, just like that. Put it aside. Next is popping these two off. Phillips head screw in there, stick it in there, pops it right out. Place a flathead in there so you can use that as leverage. Just pull out, or this is when this tool comes in handy. Just like that, it is out. Now we can remove the door panel. So I use these tools for leverage to pull the door panel off. I'm gonna do my hands, and you just work your way across. There's one of the screws, there's the other one. Now you can see inside here we have one connector there, and we actually have two connectors down there for the window switch. Now we have the door panel off. You're gonna see this little opening here, which will give you access to, you can see those bolts there. There's a total of 3 bolts. So there's 2 there, and there's one a little bit hidden. Sneak it up in there and zip those bolts off. Once you get to the last bolt, you want to keep in mind that this mirror is probably going to drop out of here, so be ready for that. While you have your mirrors off, I would also suggest you might want to clean up where the mating surface was. You can see it's a little scratched up, but thankfully the kit now comes with the foam, so you won't have to worry about that. Once you have your new mirror prepped, you got the foam in there, you're basically just gonna feed the connector through. There's plenty of length for you to feed it through, and it's simply plug and play. Gotta love it. Once you have the mirror mounted, you're gonna wanna loosely tighten up all the nuts, and then start to cinch up the nuts, but keeping in mind to not over torque these nuts. It is very important to not over torque them, because you could possibly break the mirror, and you just don't want to do that. Mirror is now installed, and here's the connector, which will clip right in. And then the nice part about it is that this connector actually has a slit for you to hold the wiring. So you're just gonna go ahead and slide it on there, and you're all done. So basically now is the time to reverse the removal process and assemble everything back together. Okay, and here is the non-delete. When you purchase the mirrors, it's going to come with the LED, but this one has a little extra. It has a smoked lens. Yours will come clear with the provided T-taps and wiring. You just T-tap it to the side marker.